Hi guys. So I mixed my flour, sugar, cinnamon, and baking soda up in these 3 bowls. Then I added my eggs, vegetable oil, and vanilla to the liquid mixture and then mixed my wet and dry ingredients together. Once I had all those mixed, I then added my zucchini and walnuts to the mix. Now you're going to want to do this, and then I'm going to do it again and again and again. I made almost 50 loaves for the homeless, and I have to say, I was so proud of myself. But as you'll soon see, there were no homeless people. It was all a drug epidemic happening in downtown Ypsilanti. I thought I was doing this to help the homeless, but in turn, not. It was not such a good idea. No, it was a good idea. I did help several people. So you're going to want to grease your pans, loaf pans, and then you're going to want to divide your batter up equally into the 3 pans that I have there, and then just repeat it over and over. I also used a cake pan. Any kind of pan you have will honestly work. Now, you're going to want to put it into your oven for about 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes, depending on how many loaves you're making. I did leave mine in for about an hour. When your zucchini bread is done, we're going to cut it up. So you're going to use your knife, and you're going to let the knife do the work for you. You're going to use your knife like a seesaw, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, using very light pressure. Do not push down on the bread. The bread should cut itself nicely. You're going to want to use a serrated knife, not a plain flat knife, but one with like little bubbles on it. And you're going to repeat this over and over and over until you get your desired slices and or chunks of bread done. I am going to repeat this so I can feed all these pieces of bread to the homeless.
Going so far. This is what I've made so far.